in Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and a Partner Network magazine. And I'm so excited to be here because this is where the best companies in industrial automation are. And one of those companies is Apex Dynamics. I'm here at their booth and I'm talking with Eugene. So Eugene, for those who don't know, tell us what you do.
Apex Dynamics manufactures a full line of servo-planetary gearboxes, as well as rack and pinion, and now lubrication systems for rack and pinion and linear guides.
And I know you've got a lot of traffic here in your booth, so tell us what they're excited about, what you're showing off here.
Right now, we've just released a new product in our AFH series. It's a carbon steel gearbox, less than 1 arc minute in a single stage, double stages, and larger sizes for bigger applications. Some of the other things that we have released, we're expanded our rack and pinion line to include a Quality 6 C carbon steel and milled version. And we've also released a rack and pinion lubrication system, which is a grease or oil-filled lubrication, and it has 2 pumps that's metered dose and can lubricate up to 16 points of lubrication.
And if I understand correctly, you have a shipping guarantee or a really good shipping process?
Yeah, I mean, right now, what the real big story is lead time. The way Apex Dynamics manufactures, we are old-style batch manufacturing. We take a lot of money and put it in inventory. So we've been able to avoid the pitfall of material supply. So our lead times have not changed. We're still quoting 2 to 3 week lead times on all of our products.
That's outstanding. Well, there's a lot more to learn about Apex Dynamics. They have a lot of products in the Rockwell Automation and Compass program. So go to the URL you see on your screen, find out how they can help you, because this is a top company in the industry. I'm Teresa Hauk from the Journal magazine. I'll see you next time.